please take a moment now and subscribe and like.
So a lot of people ask for schematics on e-bikes, and the fact is that the manufacturers don't give it. But when it comes to wiring your lead acid batteries, it's pretty easy, right, Darren?
Sure.
Okay, so here is, you're gonna run it in series. So I do tell people if they take their batteries out, draw a diagram of how they came out, but that's not always the case. So here are your batteries. You have a plus, a positive, and a negative. And you've got the black wire coming out from the controller, and you have the red wire coming out from the breaker. This obviously being positive. Right, Darren? Mm-hmm. And this being negative. So you want to run from positive to negative, from positive to negative. So here's how it would go. Hold on, the negative goes to the first negative?
Yeah.
Okay, so your black wire coming out, you attach that to a negative.
Yeah.
And then your red wire from the controller, you attach to the positive. So that's the beginning and the end. And in between, I'll use a black. You're gonna go from, you wanna do that?
Yeah. Just gonna go positive to negative.
Yep.
Positive to negative.
Mm-hmm.
Positive to negative. Positive to negative.
Yep.
Positive to negative.
And that's a simple, best way we can teach you on how to wire your batteries. We really hope that helped. And if you're doing a 48 volt or a 60, it's just 4 batteries versus 5 versus 6 versus 7 if it's an 84 volt. There you go.